Welcome to our fiber optic gyroscope manufacturing facility. First, this is our first generation winding machine where we utilize state-of-the-art technology to ensure the precise winding of each optical fiber. Next is the fiber splitting machine, which efficiently separates the fibers, guaranteeing the high quality of our products.
Then we come to the second generation winding machine.
Representing our technological breakthrough in fiber optic ring manufacturing, further improving production efficiency and precision. The following process is the fiber optic ring manufacturing process, where each step is strictly controlled to ensure seamless integration. Throughout this process, our technical team strives for excellence, aiming for optimal performance in every product. Subsequently, we will enter the curing workshop, which focuses on the curing and molding of fiber optic products, ensuring the stability and high performance of the final product. Next, we will show you the aging and demolding facility, a crucial stage where our products undergo aging tests to ensure the reliability of each batch of fiber optic gyroscopes during long-term use. Finally, we will demonstrate the aging process, where each fiber optic gyroscope undergoes rigorous aging tests to ensure its stability and durability in various environments. Every step of our process reflects our strict commitment to quality, dedicated to providing our customers with superior fiber optic gyroscope products. Welcome to MicroMagic. Today we'll take you on a tour of our circuit fabrication workshop. Here you'll find board feeders for precise circuit board delivery, printers for high-precision circuit pattern printing, transfer machines for efficient component placement, and dual rail transfer tables to enhance production efficiency. We also have high-speed pick-and-place machines for rapid component placement, multifunctional general-purpose machines to flexibly meet diverse needs, and dual-rail reflow ovens to ensure stable soldering. MicroMagic welcomes you to our factory tour. This is our environmental and reliability testing facility. First, we have the high and low temperature testing area. The temperature chambers you see are conducting constant temperature testing and temperature cycling tests, operated by engineers on site to ensure product performance remains stable under different temperature conditions. Here are our quartz stabilization platform and 9-axis turntable. We also have a 9-axis turntable with a temperature chamber, a large external temperature chamber enclosing a smaller turntable, allowing for multi-axis attitude and performance testing in a controlled temperature environment. Finally, we have our vibration table, used to verify the structural reliability of the gyroscopes. During testing, the gyroscope is vibrated at specified frequencies, amplitudes, directions, and durations to evaluate whether the structural design, materials, and assembly process can withstand the vibration stress during use. Hello, MicroMagic Inc. Welcome to our warehouse area. Here is our temperature and humidity monitor, which keeps the warehouse in a constant temperature, constant humidity condition to protect materials and finished products. On this side, you can see our gyroscope products on display, including GF70 gyroscope, GF50 3-axis gyroscope.